Welcome in this course. Today we are going to discuss about automation. So what is automation and why do we need automation in our business? How many times as a business owner you face these kind of problems? Problems like data all over the places. It means that you are using Tally for accounting, you are using another software for lead management, you are using another software for ERP system. And because of that, as all these softwares are not connected, your employees are copying data from one software and updating another software. And this is killing your man hours. You are not able to give update to your client on time. How many times you faced this problem? Your employees are coming to you and giving excuses. They forget to do follow up. They forget to notify you. They forget to notify your customers. How many times you face that because of repeated work, because of manual work, you are spending a lot of money on non-productive work. And as you trained an employee and they are doing a process and after that they are leaving the job and again everything is coming on your shoulders. You have to train your employee again from scratch. And because of all these problems, you are not able to grow your business. It's not only stuck for your business, it's also killing you a lot of time, because as a business owner you have to take responsibility that why data is not getting synced on time, why employee is not able to remember, so you have to remember so you can do follow up, how you can save money so you can't waste money on repeated work. And once you train the employee, you need minimum help to execute your process. And that is what you can do using automation. So if you are facing these kind of problems in your business, you need automation that will save you.